morning, Tyme Travelers. It's Ty. In today's video, I will be sharing my skincare routine. Let's get into the video. The first product is Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. It's a gentle exfoliant. It has pineapple, vitamin C, it evens out skin tone, and reduces the appearance of dark spots. It's a powder form, and you control how strong it is. More water equals gentler on skin. Less water equals a deeper exfoliation. Ideally, it's for everybody. Sensitive skin can use it. Oily combination skin can use it. I would recommend using it 1 to 2 times a week. Next is La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser. It gently cleanses, perfect for removing makeup, and it doesn't leave your skin tight or dry. No parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, and it's gentle enough to use in the AM and the PM. Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Fragrance and alcohol free. Can be used both in the AM and the PM. Brightens and evens skin tone. Minimizes appearance of pores. Lightweight and fast absorbing. Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Reduces hyperpigmentation / dark spots. Fragrance and alcohol free. And visible results with constant use. Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Boosts elasticity, fragrance and alcohol free, and deep hydration. Here you'll see me doing a little bit of petrissage, which basically is like kneading, squeezing, rolling the muscle motions, improves circulation, breaks down knots, increases muscle flexibility. Pressure, you can use medium to deep. Also, it helps release muscle tension. The effect it has, it's like a stimulating / therapeutic. An example would be like kneading dough. Good Molecules Herber Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Budget friendly, effective solution for reducing puffiness, brightening under eye. Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. Delivers hydration without greasy residue. Suitable for daily use and ideally for layering under sunscreen or makeup.
one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it.